Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to set text on CapCut video. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this you have to open your CapCut. Now select your video. In this video, if you want to set any text, then press on this text option. Then press on add text. Here you can write any kind of text as you want. You can change the style. You can change the effect also. You can set it as bubble. That's it. Here you can set another text. This is how you can set your text. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.